Hey everybody, welcome to our utility versus design patent page. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And these are the two biggies. These are the two types of patents that you've got to think about in order to protect what you've come up with. And it's, there's a lot to think about. So take a look at this page, digest it. Don't just make a flip decision. Work with your patent attorney and decide the best path forward. I should say, before we start talking about these two different roads, there is a step before filing either, is conducting a patent search. So if we haven't already mentioned it before, and you haven't seen it, go do a patent search. Hire us to do a professional patentability search and give you our legal opinion on whether you should file a patent on what you've invented. Not all ideas are worthy of filing. That's why we call it bold patents. We don't just file every patent. We need to make sure that it's going to be bold. And once you've got the results of your patent search, now you've got to decide with your patent attorney, what is the best route? So starts with this decision and this key question of, is your invention functional? Is what you've come up with something you want to protect? Does it do something that you want to protect? If that is true, you should go for a utility patent. And most inventions do things. And so that's why we want to encourage most inventors to go for and try for a utility patent. They're worth more in the end. They are more valuable than design patents. Now, if you're trying to protect something and it's merely the aesthetics, just the way that it looks, that is what you're trying to lock in. Maybe it's an article of clothing, maybe it's an apparel, or maybe it's more something like a container or a product, a consumer product. And just the way it looks is just perfect. And you want to lock that in. That's design patents. The drawings are going to control, versus on the utility side, the words are going to control. So that's the premise. I'll let you read the article below. I'm excited for you to learn and roll your sleeves up and educate yourself on the difference between utility and design patents. I'm JD Houvener, wishing you a great day. Go big, go bold.